Hello, my name is Maria Camila Bedoya and today I tell about of the Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest is the biggest and most famous beer festival in the world. It was celebrated since 1810 in Munich, Germany. Today, Munich Oktoberfest is held in September because the weather is milder than in October. This festival lasts 16 days, beginning on Saturday in September and always ending on the first Sunday in October. The activities of the Oktoberfest are opening ceremony, when the mayor opens a barrel at 12 p.m., traditional dancing and music and performance, parades and competition. Competition, for example, beer stain race. This competition tests how many beers you balance in your hands, and beer guzzling. This is the most common competition, as well the most enjoyable game of all. Participants are challenged to go down as many beers as they can. That's all and goodbye.